Conversation 1. Introductions. Hello, I'm Sam.
Hi, Sam. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
I'm from Italy. You?
I'm from Canada. Do you like it here?
Yes, it's nice. How about you?
I like it, too. It's pretty. What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach English.
Do you speak English?
A little. I'm learning.
How long?
6 months now. Your English is good.
Thank you. I practice every day.
That's the way to learn. Good job.
Thanks.
It was nice talking to you.
You, too, Anna. Have a good day.
You, too, Sam. Bye.
Conversation 2. Daily routine. Hi.
Hello.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30. You?
I get up at 7 o'clock. What's next?
I brush my teeth and shower.
Me too.
How do you go to work?
I walk. My office is close. You?
I take the bus. Do you exercise?
I go to the gym. Sometimes. I like to read.
I cook every day. It's fun. What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10:30. Sleep is important.
True. Nice talking to you.
You too. Have a good day. Conversation 3. Asking for directions to the library. Excuse me. Can you help me? I'm new here.
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for the library.
Oh, welcome. The library is nearby.
That's good. How do I get there?
It's easy. Are you walking?
I don't have a car. How far should I walk?
Okay. Go straight down the street. About 2 blocks. Then turn right.
What will I see after I turn?
You'll see a big red building.
Is that the library?
No, but it's next to it.
On which side of the red building?
The library is on the left side.
Got it. How long will it take?
About 10 minutes from here.
Great. Is the library open now?
Yes, it's open until 8 p.m.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you need anything else?
No, that's all. You've been very kind.
Happy to help. Enjoy the library.
Thanks again. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Conversation 4. Family. Hi.
Hello.
Do you have a big family?
I have a small family.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have kids?
Yes. I have a son.
How old is your brother?
He's 25.
Do your parents work?
My dad works. Mom stays home.
Do you visit them often?
Twice a year. Do you see yours?
Sometimes.
Do you cook together?
Mom usually cooks.
That sounds fun. Lovely. I miss my mom's cooking.
You should visit more.
You're right. I'll call them today.
Thanks for the chat. Nice talking to you.
My pleasure.
Conversation 5. Asking for directions to the post office. Excuse me. I'm lost.
No problem. Where do you want to go?
I'm looking for the post office.
Okay. It's not far from here.
Can you tell me how to get there?
Sure.